Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Let me just first say that my daughter is home. There's no school for her today. So if you hear any sound in the background, that is Nyla, okay? She is in her room watching her TV shows. So I just want to first say that. Secondly, before I get into what this video is all about, I just want to thank you all so very much for your prayers and your encouraging words about my dad. We are still awaiting the results of his diagnosis. If you don't know, my dad was recently diagnosed with prostate cancer, and it's been an overwhelming wreckage of emotions, and we're still kind of going through the process of finding out what is the stages and treatments and things like that. So once we get that information, I definitely will update you guys on what his treatment plan is going to be, and also what the stage of the cancer is in. So definitely thank you guys so much for all of your prayers, and again, your love and encouraging words. It's just so heartfelt and just means so much to my family and I, and we just appreciate you guys so very much. Continue to pray, continue to trust God and stand on his word on behalf of my dad. Let's bombard heaven for his healing, and that's what I'm believing. That's what we are standing on, and there are no other options. And we know that God's healing comes in many different ways. He has equipped and gifted men to heal and to restore and make new. So that is what we're standing on. We're standing on his word. Isaiah 53 verse 5, that he was wounded for his transgressions, bruised for his iniquities. The chastisement of his peace was upon him, and by his stripes my dad is healed and restored. And that is what we are standing on. So thank you guys so much. Okay, so to get into this video, today I am going to be talking about my Christmas planning for 2024. I am super excited, even in the midst of everything that is taking place with my dad and also with my mom. I need a distraction. I need a healthy distraction, and getting back to my filming and getting back to my videos is a healthy distraction for me. So that is what we're going to be talking about today. So today we are talking about my Christmas planning, and I am super excited because I cannot wait to get started. I am a little bit late in the Christmas decorating department, with everything that's going on in my life. Decorating just was not my first priority. And so getting back into it, I am excited. And we are going to start off with the theme. So the theme for this year's Christmas is definitely traditional, but it is a Christ-centered classic Christmas. And that is what my life is all about, Christ-centered. That is what my reality is, all about Jesus. And that is what the season is all about, celebrating our loving and thoughtful Savior and in all of his glory. So that is what my theme is for this Christmas, a Christ-centered classic Christmas. I want to keep it traditional. I want to keep the emphasis on Christ-centered. So we're going to have a lot of nativities and a lot of, scriptures and just all the wonderful and amazing redemptive things that is Christ, kind of just splashed around my home for the season. Also, a lot of classic and traditional, beautiful things. The colors are deep reds and greens and golds and blacks. I am going to be adding in some black here and there, lots of moody tones, warm colors. And so I am super excited about that. Let's dive into each room. So I am going to start decorating my dining room first. And in my dining room, it's going to be classic. All my trees in my home, except for my kids' bedrooms. I am not sure what theme they're going with for their bedrooms, but in all the other parts of the home, my trees are going to be monochromatic. So red, all different shades of it, you guys. In the family room, all different shades of red. I'm thinking about adding a little bit of gold here and there in the family room, but I don't know. I'm still loving just the monochromatic shades of all the reds throughout the home and just letting it be like the big splash pieces, you know, like the mantle and the trees and like the big ticket items, and then kind of just neutral and moody tones elsewhere. So it's still going to have like the neutral vibe, but with just lots of splashes of classical richness of the red and the deep tones of that, and just make it all monochromatic. So I'm gonna have some surprises here and there as well. I'm gonna have some reindeers and lots of like just pictures and all the things is going to be taking place. And I am super excited about this Christmas because last year I did more of a neutral Christmas, and while I do love neutrals, it really didn't feel like Christmas to me. Even my kids said it. They were just like, "Mommy, it didn't feel like Christmas. It didn't feel like you." And so this Christmas I am bringing in all of the traditional and classic colors and vibes and shades and tones, with mixing it with the neutrals and the moody, which brings in that cozy New England feeling that I am going for, or that cozy New York City feeling, right? That's basically my whole thing on Christmas this year. New York vibes, New England vibes, traditional, classic, Christ-centered. So I am super excited about that. I am also excited about decorating my new mantle in the dining room. I am going to be adding a piece to the mantle itself to kind of widen it a little bit so that I can hang more garlands and just more stuff on the mantle. So I am super excited about that. My family room is going to be that classic monochromatic theme as well, with lots of family heirloom ornaments and lots of scriptures and pictures with my family and in past Christmas, and just lots of beautifulness that is going to be going on the tree. And then of course my mantle is going to be over the top, insane, lots of greenery, lots of berries, lots of glitter and glam. And I am super excited about that part of the decorating, because y'all know I'm not a glam person, but I like to add some touch of sophistication. And our foyer is basically going to be marrying the two rooms. So it's going to have that classic red, the green, but lots of greenery, lots of garlands and wreaths and picks and just all the things, you guys. Can y'all tell? I'm so excited. I am super excited about Christmas this year. I don't think I've ever done a Christmas quite like this one, and I'm loving it. So far, the theme that is coming together, the vibes that is coming together, I'm in the Christmas spirit. I am so excited about my staircase because that is going to be decked out in garlands and ribbons and baubles and all the things. So I am super excited about that. I am going to be actually giving you guys a tutorial on how to decorate your staircase for the Christmas season. Whether you have a large staircase, a small one, or whatever type of staircase you have, or if you don't have a staircase, I'm going to show you what you can also do to decorate your space and give it that same kind of classic look. Sorry, you guys. She's very talkative today. So I'm going to be doing a tutorial on that. I'm going to also give you guys a tutorial on how to decorate your bookshelves for Christmas. Now, I'm a maximalist with a conscience. The reason why I say with a conscience is because I am a maximalist, but I don't like stuff everywhere, if that makes sense. I do like some bland, blank wall space. But when I do decorate in my maximalist type of way, I like to add a lot to my bookshelf, to my mantle, to my trees, to my couches, to my bed, that type of maximalism, right? And I feel like it brings in a cozier feeling. So I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial on how to dress your mantles for Christmas, dress your staircase for Christmas, dress your bookcases for Christmas, and also your console tables. So those are going to be 4 different tutorials that I'm going to be incorporating for Christmas this year. And I'm very, very excited about them. And so my first video is going to be my Christmas tree in my dining room. And I have partnered with King of Christmas this year again, and I just love their Christmas trees, you guys. They are full, they are beautiful. The quality is by far the best that I've seen out there, and I just absolutely love it so much. Actually, my flock Christmas tree that I got from King of Christmas last year, I gave that to my mom because I wanted to get her Christmas tree, but y'all, I couldn't find anything out there that was like the type of quality, and so I gifted that to her, and she absolutely loves it. We're going to be decorating it for the Christmas season in her home. We are going to their home for Christmas this year. So we're going down in November by the grace of God to decorate her tree. So you will get to see me do that as well. And we're going to dress her staircase in the King of Christmas wreath and garlands. And we're just going to have a blast with that. So excited. But my staircase, like I said, my foyer is going to be marrying the 2 rooms. And then my kitchen is still undergoing, a minimal renovation. So we're going to do what we can in that kitchen, okay? We're not going to do a whole lot because we're fixing things, we're renovating things. So we're just going to dress certain areas for Christmas. But my pantry is going to also be getting a makeover, and I'm going to be kind of dressing that wall, going to be doing some things in the kitchen, going to be redoing my plate rack wall, so y'all will definitely get to see that, and the mudroom as well. So going to the bedrooms, my master bedroom is going to be a neutral palette, but it's going to be more of a moody neutral palette. I'm going to be painting in there. I'm going to be wallpapering in there. I'm going to be putting up some new drapes, which I am super excited about that because I have also partnered with a company that I absolutely just been loving their products. And I've been seeing it everywhere and just like, Lord, I want to partner with that company. And I prayed about it, and I'm telling you, y'all, I opened up my email and it was there. So I am super excited. So you're gonna get to see that makeover in my master bedroom for the Christmas season. But I'm going more with a neutral, glam, moody for the Christmas season. So there will be no reds in the room, but it's definitely gonna have the greens and the browns and the golds and the whites, the creams, little bit of glam here and there, you guys. That is going to be taking place because, you know, that's my bedroom, and I want for my husband and I to just have like a calming space. Red is romantic and, you know, all the things, but I just want a calming space that when I go to bed, when I get home from work and I take a shower, I can wrap up in my blankets and, you know, watch a Hallmark movie or a great American family movie for Christmas and just enjoy my bedroom for the season. So that basically wraps up what my Christmas planning or Christmas decorating is going to be this year. It's going to be a Christ-centered classic Christmas, lots of reds, lots of monochromatic tones, lots of berries, and just Christ-centered, you know, things. Lots of nostalgia too. I'm bringing in some nostalgic things into the decorating, and I am super excited about it. So definitely stay tuned, you guys. I am so excited to get started on decorating, and I hope that you guys are excited about it too. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I am looking forward to getting all these videos up, you guys, starting with this one, and I cannot wait. So definitely stay tuned. This video will be going up on Wednesday, which is today that you guys are watching it, and then I am going to have a haul for you guys on Friday, because I've been shopping, doing some shopping here and there. And also I shopped last year Christmas clearance. So I have tons of stuff to show you guys what I got on clearance last year, and just a little bit of stuff here and there for this Christmas. So definitely stay tuned for that. Also, Sunday, my dining room tree will be going up, decorating that with me. So I'm super excited. So look forward to those 3 videos that's coming out. And yeah, I am super excited. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. Remember that He is the reason for the season, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.